back with another episode. It has been a long time since I last uploaded, and it is terrible weather here in Canberra. But anyways, I just had a mate get his new exhaust system for his car. It's a very clean VZ SS ute, and he wants to make it a little bit louder. He's just got a rear muffler delete kit that we're hoping is a direct bolt on. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but just waiting for him now, unloading some tools out of the back so we can start getting into it as soon as he gets here, I guess. Gonna try beat the rain, but we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. He's about to get here. I'll film him before and after and everything. I'll film the whole process. Hopefully should be pretty easy if you guys want to learn how to do a bit of an exhaust change. But yeah, let's get back to it. Baby. So this is his clean rig. Some freaking massive brakes on it now. It's huge. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
What's going on? Oh, just about to help a mate change his exhaust over. Told you, it's a clean example.
Sounds like a good man.
Fucking like so nice. Every time I see this, I'm like, man, it's so nice in here. Makes me want to do mine.
It doesn't feel like a Commodore should feel like, eh?
Definitely. Good, that was a practice.
So, now that we've got that out and we're recording, you want to put it back in so we can try it again?
But no, this one was actually loose. Just came out.
Yeah,
you wouldn't believe it. Actually, you wouldn't read about it.
They started doing the job for us. You wouldn't read about this shit.
No, you actually wouldn't.
So we don't actually have a rear section, we're just removing this.
Correct.
And making it straight.
Yeah.
So, three keen-eyed viewers out there. What is this? Bit of goop. Bit of tidying up. Don't want any exhaust leaks around here, do we? That'd be too noisy. Exactly. Catherine wouldn't approve. Careful, she subscribes to my YouTube channel. She's the number one subscriber. Consider it a shout out, hey? Yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't read about it.
Definitely wouldn't read about this shit. But anyways, we are reading about it because it's right in front of us. You know what I mean?
Pretty right.
Look at all this diesel soot in your exhaust system, man.
Hilux 2.4 in there.
The new one.
Yeah. Which is exactly the same as the old one, but this one's got a DPS, so that's a bit better.
Oh yeah, that bit of the AdBlue, mate. Bit of AdBlue. Yeah, sick. Okay.
Well, after a bit of elbow grease, we got one on.
It's a little bit longer. It's a little bit.
No, it might be a little bit longer actually.
Just about that. Oh no. Like a Gucci, mate. What am I talking about?
A bit of a bought one.
My bloody eyes are painted on, I tell ya.
It's alright, bud.
Oh, this definitely looks a lot better than this.
Little known fact, you think Motorola only makes phones?
So we're done. Didn't take too long. We had to do a bit of alignment issues, which is alright. Looks pretty good now. But yeah, first start up.
Bad boy and everything.
Yeah, mate. Is it in gear? Yeah, make sure it's in first. Honest reviews so far.
Imagine if like these dips, the whole thing just drops off or whatever.
So I reckon it definitely sounds deeper and a bit more. I don't know.
It's 100% louder.
Yeah, it is louder. It's not like droney louder though.
This is how often I drive this in the rain. I don't actually know.
Head down. Shit. So Matt never drives his car in the rain, like ever. This is a massive no-no. So for him to come out and do this, I am very proud of you.
It's good, eh?
So, but like, I still can't. Every time we get in your car, I'm like, it's so clean, man. How do you do this shit? But let's hear it out. No, I think it's good. I think it's.
You wouldn't want to daily this.
Yeah, it's where you wanted it though. This is what you were trying to achieve, I think.
Yeah.
So I think definitely hit the nail on the head with it. Oops, that's your glass.
That just matches the phone now.
We ain't breaking the backs of phones, eh? This doesn't end.
Engine's still cold as well, but
that's right. We're testing out low RPMs, brother.
yeah.
You guys will see it more, but I don't know how hard we can give it because it obviously is raining, so obviously this bad boy just fries every gear.
That's all I do, mate. Yeah, it's got a decent sound.
It does. Just cruising.
And for cruising at 80 k's, this was the speed that I was worried about because this is where it gets.
And it's just under that droniness, I feel, yeah.
Yeah. Because this, to me, when you're just cruising, it doesn't sound any louder than the before. It's only when you're under load.
Definitely what you wanted. I think we made a good choice here.
I think so.
It doesn't sound too bad as either because his whole system is stainless and just the rear section is mild steel. Alright, that's it guys. So as you can see, the exhaust is on. It sounds way better. You can definitely tell it's a bit louder at idle, but definitely as soon as you start putting load on the engine, it's so much louder. So it's definitely the change he wanted. He was looking for a little bit more sound, like wanted to be a bit louder, but didn't want to lose too much droniness. Wasn't sure how the stainless steel was going to work with the mild steel. But anyways, it's done now. Drop your comment, see what you guys think. Drop us a like and subscribe. Help us all out. Let us know what you want to see on the next one. So we'll freaking see you later.